My answer.
Lesson 54. We are solving two equations together to find the point where these two lines are intersecting. Practice problem A, 2x plus y equals 14. Second equation, x equals y minus 5. We're going to use the substitution method to find the intersecting point. So the whole idea of this lesson is to find x and y, where these two lines are intersecting. Since I have here y in reference of x, I'm going to take y minus 5 and I'm going to substitute it in the first equation. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. So I'm taking the value of x in the second equation, substitute it in the first equation. So I'm going to do 2y minus 5 plus y equals 14. So this y minus 5, I put it instead of x here. So here's my 2. Here's my x, which is y minus 5. Here's my y, and here's the 14. So I end up with one equation with one unknown, which is y. Expand. 2y minus 2 times 5 is 10 plus y equals 14. 2y and y is 3y's. Minus 10 plus equals to 14. Add 10 to both sides or move the 10 to the other side. Then your 3y's will be 24. Divide both sides by 3. And y will be equals to 8. To find x, we need to substitute that y in one of these two equations. Pick the easiest one for you. The second one is easier because if I put here 24, I can find x immediately. So x equals y minus 5. The value of y is 8. So x will be 8 minus 5. X is 3. So the intersecting point for these two lines are 3, 8. Another example, B, y equals 3x plus 11. 2x plus y equals negative 14. Let's look closely to these two equations. The first one, y equals 3x plus 11. The second one, 2x plus y equals negative 14. Any ideas? What should I do in substitution? Equation 1 and 2. Any ideas?
Multiply 3 times 2.
The 3x and the y.
Exactly. Put the 3x plus 11 into the y here. I can substitute all this into this y. Make sense? All right. So let's do 2x. Here's my 2x. Plus. And instead of y, I'm going to put 3x plus 11. Equals to negative 14 is going to come down here. So actually, this is my equation 2 prime. It's the same equation as 2. The only thing I substituted equation 1 into. So the whole thing here used to be y. So I have one equation with one unknown, which is x. 2x and 3x is 5x. plus 11 equals negative 14. Subtract 11 from both sides, cancel. So I have 5x equals negative 25. Divide both sides by 5, and x will be negative 5. I still did not find the value of y. How can I do that?
Put the negative 5.
Substitute it in the first
Yeah,
equation. So if I take this negative 5 and put it right here, I can find y. Y equals 3. What's in my parenthesis now?
negative 5.
Negative 5 plus 11. That will be
Negative 15.
negative 15 plus
11.
11. So y equals
Negative 4.
negative 4. How can I finish this problem?
Um,
Put x and y in parentheses, and that would be
Negative 4.
Negative four.
comma,
negative 5,
Negative 5, 11.
comma, negative 4. So always x, then y. This is how we plot the points. That's all for lesson 54.